What do you think decides faster, your brain or your consciousness?
One and the same movement can be perceived as care or as threat, as liberation or as loss of control. This is how interference arises. And then a human being is also a wave.
We will now place neuro headsets on your heads, provided by the Neary company. It reads the brain's wave activity in real time. Remember the person you could have become, but didn't.
Save completed successfully. The scene is ready for playback.
Perhaps reality is not a fixed stage, but a continuous process of co-creating the world.
Dear viewers, we have completed the preparation of all 5 scenes.